Hello. In this tutorial block, we will discuss how we can simply relight our interior, and this will be about day to night. As you know, as most common option that you need some, night mode options to present the ideas of how you can present it at night. And this is a fun example when I try to relight it in, cyberpunk style, for example. This will be quite interesting because you'll have a lot of examples from simple to more advanced, with exactly prompting about where we want to light something or turn on or turn off, where we'll try to describe the night options, how this night will look at this our final image. We will also discuss about drawing on our image, how night light can be selected, explained, mentioned on the image, and we'll receive some interesting luxury light night results, something like this or something like this. We'll also try to relight the interior in a different moods, and the main we will try to find some creative ideas, something like this, to add some extra lights to our interior, or to make some parties and see how this light will affect our exterior. And we will also, of course, try to explain our image with a drawing on that, how we and where we want to put extra light. And we'll discuss most common problems and mistakes. And here you'll also find the most favorite and most interesting part, when we try to connect our source image with our second image and to transfer this light to this scene. Or we will try to transfer this light to this scene. Or the last but not least, we will try to transfer this image from Cyberpunk to our source file, and we will receive quite interesting results. As you see, without any difficult prompting, it's the same prompt, so we are getting quite significant results. We're using just a simple prompt that we want to transfer a light from reference A to reference B, and we're receiving very interesting results. So as always, in the next tutorial, I'll show you everything on the left side, and this stuff will be saved for you as all the file, and you'll find it under this tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial.